Advanced blood bank refrigerator with touch screen. Automated, easy-to-use blood bank management. The intuitive high-definition 7-inch LCD touchscreen can display temperature graphs, up-to-date unit status, events, and alarm records. Real-time control of internal temperature with a dual control system. 6 high-precision sensors and mechanical thermostat, which ensures the temperature inside the cabinet is maintained. Historical temperature inside the cabinet can be checked at any time. The system supports all related data logs and is available for review at any time. For example, power failure, high and low temperature, door ajar, sensor failure. Standard equipped with USB interface that can record the temperature data for 10 years, and an optional disk temperature recorder is also available. Temperature control. The inside temperature is constant within the range of 4 ± 1 degree Celsius, and the digital temperature display accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius. Equipped with 6 high-precision sensors and a mechanical thermostat, which ensures accurate air cooling and temperature control and guarantee of blood security. Refrigeration system. Using a world-famous inverter compressor with stable operation power of less than 100 watts, and it is HC environmentally friendly. Frost-free air cooling with multi-layer inner door design reduces thermal loss after door openings, which further ensures the temperature stability inside the cabinet. Security system. Equipped with 6 alarm functions and 2 alarm modes with remote alarm interface, provides multiple security guarantees. Backup battery design ensures alarm and temperature readings from inside the cabinet continue in the event of a mains power failure. Double lock design with NFC swipe card electromagnetic lock and an optional fingerprint unlocking function is available. Haier Biomedical. Intelligent protection of life science.